This will be the last video that you ever have to watch if you are actually hungry and trying to make money online. The business model that I'm going to show you in this video took me from a 17-year-old broke kid working at an Amazon warehouse making $11 an hour to a multi-millionaire by 23. And it also allowed me to retire my mom at that exact age, which was the whole reason why I even got into entrepreneurship in the first place. And trust me, I know what it feels like to be going and watching YouTube video after YouTube video after YouTube video, trying to find someone that's real, that's genuine, that actually wants to help you, and also trying to find a business model that isn't saturated, right? Like all these other business models on YouTube that used to work and worked for the people that were very early, but are now no longer working and serving the new people that are entering that industry. So again, in this video, I'm going to give you a plain step-by-step formula that you can follow, that by the end of this video, you'll have a tactical plan to attack, and so you can actually go and make some money. Okay, so again, my name is William Rivera. I've made over $40 million on the internet, and the business model that I'm going to be giving you today will get you to your first 10, 20, 30K month. And then if you want to learn how to scale beyond that, I have other videos on my channel that go into depth on that. So the business model that I'm going to be teaching you in this video is one that no one really talks about on the internet, and that also has a bad rap because people mix it with another one. Okay, and the business model that I'm talking about is selling products on Amazon. And before you scroll to another video, I'm not talking about the old way of doing it. I'm not talking about selling products from AliExpress, selling products from China, having to do your own marketing. No, what I'm talking about is actually partnering with brands that already have the demand, and you're just plugging and playing. Okay, I'm talking about brands like Sony, Logitech, Fiji, C4, brands that already have millions of people going on Amazon trying to buy their products. All right. And before I even dive into that, I hope you understand that the basic fundamentals of business is literally just supply and demand. And it's good because you really just have to have one or the other, because you can just hire for the one that you don't have. But let me put this in perspective for you. The people that create demand make money because they are able to find the demand or create the demand. These are the marketing agencies, the lead gen agencies, the pay-per-call agencies. They're able to create demand. The people that have supply, right? These are the people that actually create brands, create companies, they sell products, they hire for the demand, and then demand hires or finds the people with the supply, and then they make money together. And if you're watching this video and you're like, Will, I don't have supply, I don't have product, and I also don't know how to create demand, then again, this is a perfect video for you, because I'm going to show you how you can literally be a middleman and make money from this supply and demand theory right here. Okay, so I was just like you, trust me, I was broke. I didn't have enough money to go and create my own brand or create my own product, and I didn't have the skills on how to generate traffic. So I was doing so much research on YouTube, probably like how you are doing right now, and I came across this business model where you can actually partner with these big name brands like I explained, and you just sell them on Amazon where all of the demand already is, because over 50% of the products that are bought on the internet are bought on Amazon.com. So Amazon already has the traffic for you, and then these brands create your supply, right? So instead of you having to go and create and invent a revolutionary product, you can just buy products from these brands and resell them on Amazon where all of the demand is. Okay, so for example, how I made my first $1,000 when I was like 17 years old was I walked into a store like Costco, Sam's Club, Ollie's, BJ's, these discount stores, and I started scanning products using the Amazon Seller app. And the Amazon Seller app would tell me which product is actually profitable to sell on Amazon. And literally I scanned a pool filter that they were selling at Walmart at the time, and that pool filter was selling for 50% off at Walmart, but it was selling for retail on Amazon. And because I was able to buy it so discounted at Walmart, I was able to make that margin in between, and I was selling units literally as I was driving home with the pool filters in the back of my car because of the demand on Amazon. And again, in this video, I'm going to give you a 3-step formula on how you can do the same thing and make $10,000 literally within the next 30 days if you apply everything that I teach you in this video, okay? Because this stuff does work. I literally have over 20,000 case studies of this working for other people that I've taught. So again, if it can work for them, it can work for you. And that's a fundamental belief that you'll need to be successful at anything that you choose to do, right? Even if it's not Amazon, if you choose to do another business model, you have to understand that if it worked for another human being, it can work for you as well, okay? Because we are all human and we all have the same amount of resourcefulness available in us for us to go and be resourceful and use our resources to our best of our ability, okay? So here's what you're gonna do. If you actually are serious about making money and you're still watching this video, number one, go ahead and comment a money bag emoji down below so I can know that you made it to this point. After you do that, you're gonna wanna download the Amazon Seller app and you're gonna wanna create an Amazon Seller account. You can actually do that online as well on sell.amazon.com. An Amazon Seller account is about 40 bucks a month. Now let's put this in comparison with other business models, right? Let's say you wanted to start a franchise of something, a barbershop, a Subway, you wanted to open up a Jimmy John's, whatever, smoothie store. It's usually going to cost you about $20,000 to create a franchise like that. And then you're still going to have to generate traffic. You're going to have to find a way to get people into your store. Whereas with an Amazon Seller account, it costs 40 bucks a month and you immediately are on a platform where there are over 100 million Prime users that are shopping on there every single day. Not enough people talk about that. Like that's insane. After you create the Amazon Seller account, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna download this new AI tool called Scan Profit. That's SCAN Profit. Is available on the Apple App Store. They're on the Google Chrome Web Store as well. And then they're also on the Google Play Store. That app is an app that wasn't available when I first got started in this business. As I told you before, I was using the Amazon Seller app, but this app is much better. Literally, it allows you to scan the barcode of any product that you see in store and also allows you to scan products that are on Amazon.com. And it'll tell you instantly how profitable that product is to sell after all Amazon fees, after all shipping fees, and it'll tell you exactly how many units that product is selling per month. So you're eliminating your risk and you're eliminating your guesswork and you're automating your product research using this tool. So that's another tool that I recommend you use to really start moving fast with this business model. And then number three, what you're gonna do after you download that app, I want you to go on your Google Maps on your phone and I want you to type distributors near me. Type in wholesalers near me, those two words. Every single place that pops up that's within a 10-mile radius of your house, I want you to go to those stores and I want you to start scanning the barcodes of the products that you find in those warehouses and in those stores, okay? These distributors and these wholesalers have products that are significantly cheaper than what you're gonna find inside of like a regular store, like a Target. You're gonna be able to buy those products from them, instantly make profit by reselling them on Amazon because they're so discounted at these stores that I'm telling you to go to. Literally, if you're just consistent enough and if you put in the effort and you scan enough products, I tell people this all the time, you are one scan away from changing your life. That's literally how I was able to go from making $0, or I wasn't making $0, but I was making like 300 bucks a week at Amazon in the Amazon warehouse. This is how I was able to go from making $300 a week to making $10,000 plus every single month, just reselling products that people already want from brands that people already know, like, and trust, rather than actually starting my own business or actually creating a product. I just leveraged the fact that these brands are giants and I just stood on their shoulders. That's all I did to get to multiple six figures a year. Now, if you're watching this and you're like, well, you know what? I don't actually, work on my laptop. I'm not that tech savvy. I would argue, number one, that you don't have to be tech savvy to do this at all, because as long as you're able to read and you have internet, you can do this. But if you're someone that wants to do something more like sales, which I recommend sales to anybody that's already naturally extroverted and maybe you've done sales before. If you want to do something like sales to make more money, I highly encourage you to follow me on Instagram. I actually had a life and health insurance agency where the agents that work for me have the potential to make anywhere between 6 to 7 figures a year. And my girlfriend actually was my top closer for the past couple of years. And she was making $30,000 a month in commissions working with me on my sales team. So if you're someone that's watching this video and you're already in sales or you're already naturally extroverted, highly recommend you to follow me and check my company out, because sales is another opportunity where you have no cap on the income that you can make, right? You don't ever want to be in an industry where there's a cap on your income, right? If you work a 9 to 5, there's a cap on your income. There's a certain amount of money that they're not going to pay you more than, for example, your salary or your hourly wage. In sales, you just eat what you kill. And in our industry, we sell health insurance to people over 65 years old, and the government actually pays for it for them. And we get paid by the insurance companies every time that we place someone on a policy. And on the life insurance side, we get paid a percentage of what that yearly sum would be of that policy. So if you're interested in this opportunity where you can actually help people and get paid for it, then again, definitely check me out on Instagram. I post more about it on there. And then if you're interested in the Amazon opportunity, I have videos all over my YouTube about Amazon, simply because that was the first business model that allowed me to escape the 9 to 5. And simply because that's the first business model that allowed me to escape the 9 to 5. And also, if you want to watch something more in depth, that's like 2 hours long, of me explaining exactly how to get into that business, then I encourage you to attend my next training. I host a free training every single day at 8 p.m. Eastern time on ecomdegree.com. And on that training, I go over like how to find suppliers, how to know if a product is profitable. I go over case studies of different people that I've helped. I've actually helped over 20,000 plus people get into this business. And it's a very informative training if you actually want to get into this business. Now, guys, I appreciate you if you got into this point of the video, because I know I've been talking for a pretty long time. So if you have got to this point in the video, I want you to go ahead and comment down below real ones, just so I can know that you're a real one because you made it this far in the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, definitely go ahead and subscribe, like this video so YouTube can push it and share it with other people, and they can learn about this opportunity as well so that they can start making money as well. And guys, if you want to see something else from me, if you have a video suggestion, I read all of my comments. Leave it down below in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.